Hello.
Hola.
However you do it. Oh, she did it.
Greetings, homeland. Yes, we are
You
wearing...
must be wondering why we're wearing
lady
boxers
on our head.
We're representing the
Grace
Sports.
Grace Sports. Homie, peace. Grace Sports. Straight up, homie. Best underwear ever. They're really comfortable. No wedgies. Nice, tight.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying.
She.
Homie.
Whatever you do.
It's 2:40 in the morning on Friday night. Well, actually, it's Saturday now. And what else? We just finished our first week of school.
This is Friday.
Yeah.
TGIF.
Friday.
Thank God it's Friday.
I know, I'm so excited.
We're like awake, but we're tired. My eyes. Cherish this moment. Like I said, no makeup.
Cherish this moment. I'm wearing underwear on my head. I can burp my ABCs.
Go for it. That's.
Are you ready?
I represent to you the queen of ABC burping. Are you ready?
Are you ready, boys? Fellas? Homies? Let's do it.
Okay. Go. Do it. Let's just keep going. Jesus.
You gotta love it. You gotta love it. I'm the sexiest bitch you're ever gonna find who can do that, okay?
I think the ones that truly
Express themselves.
are more male are the ones that
Are keepers.
the one that burp with you.
She farts. It's the cheese, always the cheese. The cheese did it.
I just realized that we don't have like light.
Oh well.
Oh, she's not done. Damn.
You wanna hear a big one? I think I feel a big one too.
Oh! I blew it in my freaking facial area.
Freaking fresh. Vagina.
Boobs.
Freaking fresh.
I want to play safe with you.
Okay.
With you.
With you. I wanna be with you.
I can't believe I'm not wearing that like makeup at all right now.
That's a good thing. Tell me we're tired. I don't think this is... Oh, well, we have to say goodbye now because we're trying to make a video that's really short so we can put it on YouTube and we don't have to cut it up. So we're saying goodbye. Freaking fresh. Peace, homie.
Word.
Take it up the ass.